Baby, it's cold outside. Yeah, this is why I don't sing. Alright guys, so I am bringing you Vlogmas Day 9 from Winter Wonderland. It's really cold out here, but the reason I'm bringing this to you from outside, one, thought it'd be a nice little change, let you see the snow, and two, because we have no power. It's snowing for over 12 hours, and yeah, we lost power about 8:15, 8:20 this morning, and you know, I need to get this vlog done. Don't think I'm going to be able to upload it. I hope I can upload it. I hope the power comes back on to upload, but at least I'll have the vlog filmed. I do have some footage for you guys that I filmed, like in anticipation for the snow and the progress of the snow throughout yesterday and last night. Now, if you follow us on Instagram, on our Life's a Whirlwind Instagram account, you've already seen all this because I have been doing updates on Insta stories on there. But let's go to all those clips now. Oh my goodness, it's cold. Okay, so it is 12:24 p.m. on Saturday the 8th, and it has just started snowing. It started sleeting probably about an hour ago, just a little bit, kind of like a drizzle, but it officially is snowing now. So it's actually taken it 3 hours to actually stick, but it is finally starting. And when it snows, I normally make chili. This is actually turkey chili. It has turkey, well, ground turkey in it, and about 4 different types of beans. Lakeland and I, ooh, look at that steaming. Anyway, my kids and I love beans. Tom won't eat it because it has beans in it, but he's missing out. It is time for the chili with its cheese and sour cream in the appropriate mug. So it's after 11 o'clock at night. I'm at the dining room table editing. What was that? Oh, a limb just broke somewhere. Oh, yeah. No, what are you doing? And oh, what was I saying? Oh, I'm editing. I hear a thump at the front door. This boy is throwing snowballs at the front door. You see how the tree... Yeah, look, that's... Yeah, power outage is what that means. But this is how heavy the snow is. See the trees? Like there's a big gap already because this side's hanging here. These are hanging. This is not a good sign. This is why I need to get these videos up. Okay, nighttime in the snow is so amazing. It smells crisp and, oh, just fresh and wonderful. All right, it's 12:30 a.m. The weight of the snow has already pulled down the net on the trampoline. Oh my gosh, I'm just going to be quiet and let y'all listen. Oh, it is 2:19 in the morning. It is still snowing. And yes, I am a major night owl. Can you see my vehicle over there? That is my Suburban buried right there. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh, guys. If it wasn't so cold, I would just sit out here and listen. Why does like snow make everything so peaceful? Maybe I guess it's like a buffer. Well, it happened at like 8 something this morning. We lost power. It's now 11 something, and it has been snowing all night long. I have a box of goodies from the Disney store. Oh, look, somebody's going by really, really slow. I guess they're thinking, what is she doing outside? Anyway, so yesterday was the Secret Santa that 13 of us, originally I think it was supposed to be 14, but I think somebody had backed out. So I think it was 13 of us had participated in. So hopefully you saw all those Secret Santa unboxings. Ooh, am I like really dark? I can't tell. Yeah, I guess that's a little better. Anyway, so I was watching one of those and somebody got a mystery box Christmas ornament from the Disney store. And I was like, oh my gosh, I totally forgot. Like 2 months ago, I ordered some of those for Vlogmas. So guess what? we're gonna do some unboxings. So first up, I got a few other things other than the ornaments. I did get a journal pack. You guys know how I am about journals. I'm always writing stuff down, and there was a sale going on. I mean, that's basically why. So there would have been free shipping, or like maybe it was 25% off the whole site. That might have been in at the time. So I did get the Mickey Mouse Club 3-pack of journals, and $12.95 for 3 plus 25% off, and they're pretty thick. That's a pretty good deal. Man, it's really starting to like, I mean, it had stopped snowing for a little while, but it's starting to like drizzle now. So my camera's getting a little wet. So I'm gonna try to do this really quick. So I also ordered, oh, isn't she beautiful? It's funny because last month there was like 4 or 5 ornaments that I really wanted, and I actually ended up leaving them in my cart, not getting them because I needed to buy Christmas presents, not stuff for myself. But I'm really glad that I ended up getting her so long ago, because she is getting ready to make an awesome photo op in this snow. I'm going to insert that now. This is what the box looks like. It's $7.95, and these are the possibilities. I hope you guys can see this. So these are the possibilities. So Pooh, Eeyore, Minnie, Chippendale, Stitch, Mickey, and it looks like Tigger and Bambi are the mystery ones. So let's get this first one opened. Alright, so it comes in a silver blind bag. I had to run in and get the scissors because I couldn't tear it open. So this is going to be really hard. So I'm just going to do this one like this, and the other ones I'm going oh no! Oh my gosh! Guys, Chippendale made a dive. Oh my gosh, I can't believe they fell into the snow. Oh my goodness, okay. Wow, oh my gosh, that snow is so cold. Alright, so Chippendale says fa la la la. Hoping y'all can kind of see through the snow here. So the other ones I'm going to open up a little differently, because I don't want anybody else to make a dive to the snow.
When everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night, it's Christmas, a winter wonderland, a snowball in each hand. Take me away, Christmas Day. There's joy in the air, family's near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what?
Today's pop is not going to be holiday themed. It is actually more appropriate than you could ever imagine, and it is winter themed. Look at this. This is a Bambi slipping on ice. I actually got this last year in a Disney Treasures Funko Pop box. They don't do them anymore. It was like a mail subscription. Oh, it is perfect for today. Check it out. Now, Bambi's not steady. Oh, he took a nosedive. Anyway, Bambi's not steady on his feet right now in the snow. He's gonna have to get used to it. All right, try again. Oh, that was awesome. That was 9.0 because he did a total flip, guys. All right, so today's sock is going to be a Target sock. So let's open. Oh man, I totally ripped it off. Phooey, I did not mean to do that. All right, what do we have today? Oh, there is only one Mickey. So these are the short socks. That grin. Oh my gosh, what is up with that grin? That is hilarious. And today's pin is going to be this limited edition Donald pin. See the snowflakes in the background? So this one was also totally appropriate for today. And if you want to find out more about this pin, you're going to find out in tomorrow's Vlogmas Day 10. Today's Happy Holidays goes to Michelle Carnes. Michelle, yes, I am being very safe in the snow, and this is why. Because this is my vehicle right now. I'm not going anywhere, so I am being extremely safe. So Michelle, I hope you also have a safe and warm holiday. Merry Christmas, Michelle. Okay guys, that is the end to Vlogmas Day 9. I'm crossing my fingers that the power comes back on and that I can actually get this up on Day 9, or you're going to get 2 on Day 10 unless the power's not up. And then you're going to get 3 on Day 11 unless, okay, I'll just stop right there. Happy holidays guys, see you at the parks.